Hey everyone. Today, let's chill out and check out some new catnap art. I'm sipping on some coffee, enjoying a beautiful day and feeling the cool breeze. This is the latest painting I've done. You can click the link in the top right corner for more videos. Let's take a look back at some of the catnap art I created this past month. Here's a new one I just finished with Kickin' Chicken and Catnap. This is the battle between Catnap and Huggy Wuggy. This is an older Catnap painting, about a month old. This Catnap is totally new and different. I love creating new things. Nightmare Catnap with giant hands, reaching for you. This Catnap is huge and tiny Godzilla. Catnap and Friends. This is one of the first Catnap paintings I ever made. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.